Hello everyone. In this Power BI lecture, we will discuss about how we can import and export the report in Power BI. So first we will see how we can import and export in Power BI desktop. Then we will move forward to the Power BI service. So first we will navigate to the Power BI desktop. So this is the Power BI desktop and this is the report. Now if you want to export this report, how you can do this? You just click on the file and you can see here the important export option, right? So click on the export and the export will give you the two options, that is Power BI template and export to PDF. So now select the export to template and here you can give some description about your report or about your template, you can say, and then you can click on OK. Once you click on OK, it will save on your local system on the .pbit file. Okay, it is not PBIX file, it is PBIT file because it is template. So just provide some name. For example, I will write course 1 and I will click on save. Okay, so now it is saved in your PC and it is exported. Now how we come import the file to the Power BI desktop? Similar way, you just click on the file and then click on import. Here it will give you the four options. The first option is import the report template to use in a new report. Okay, and then second is the import a custom visual from a file. You can import some file custom visual as a file. Okay, then Power BI visual from app source. You can import a visual from the app source. Next is the import the queries and model you created in the Excel to Power BI. If you have created some queries or model, then you can import from your Excel sheet to the Power BI. So here we will select Power BI template and we will select the file. So this is the file which we have imported, if you remember, and then we will click on open. So it will create a new template file for us. So now you can see this file is get created and it is a new file. So we didn't save this file. Before you close this file, you need to save this file in your local system. And you can see here it is untitled. Okay, this is how we can import and export file in our Power BI desktop. Okay, now let's see how we can do this in Power BI service. So we have uh, opened the Power BI service and this is the Power BI course workspace. So I will open one report. Okay, let's open financial report. In this report, you can see the export option. So by clicking on the export option, you will get three options. Okay, you can embed an image in your PPT, embed an live data in your PPT, and in PDF format, you can export and analyze in Excel. Okay, so this is the export option. Also, you can download the report. To download the report, you go to the file option and you can click on download this file. It will download the report in .pbix file. Okay, so we will see both the options, how it get downloaded and when we import these two files, what will be the output. Okay, so before if you want to download in other format, there are many format. You can export as Excel, CSV. You can download the report and you can export the report as PowerPoint presentation or PDF document. Export the report as HTML documents. Export the report as Word document, XML, image. Also, you can print the dashboard and reports. From here, you need to enable first, then only you get the option in your report. If you are not getting any option in your report, then come to the admin portal and go to the tenant setting. In the tenant setting, you can see the export and sharing setting. From here, you can enable it. For me, export to Excel is enabled. So it is showing on that one in export I have shown you. Export to CSV is also enabled. Download report is also enabled. Okay. So this one also need to be enabled. It will ask you whether you are want to export it to the Excel as a live connection or not. Okay. So then this is also enabled. This is also enabled. And if you'll see, export report as Word document is also enabled. This one is also enabled. But for image file, it is disabled. If I will enable, yeah, we can export the report as image file. Okay. So this is these things should be enabled. Then only you can see the option in the report to for exporting. And now let's move forward to the Power BI report and see how we can do this. So for this, I will go to the finance report, and in this finance report, I will export as PDF. And here it will ask for export with the current values or default values. Okay, let's export with the current values. Exclude the hidden report tabs, or only export the current page. You can choose the option from here how you want, and then click on export. Now export to PDF in progress. Okay. So now it get downloaded. Okay, you can see financial report 1. I will import this report to the Power BI workspace. So for this, we will go to the Power BI workspace and then click on upload option. You can upload from OneDrive, SharePoint and browse. From browse is will be the option for your local system. You can upload it in your workspace. So I will select the browse. So from here, we will select the new report.rdl. Okay, and we will click on open. So once you click on open, you can see here new report get created. Just click on it. Will show the paginated report, because when we upload this report, it will upload as a paginated report. And you can say here the paginated report. And if you want to go to next page, you can go on next page by clicking on this. So this is how we can upload a report to the Power BI workspace. Now this report is little bit different. This is a paginated report, but the original report we can't view, right? The chart and all. So for this, we will go to the financial report, and from file option, we will download this file. Okay, a copy of your report data and PBIX file. Okay, once we upload, we will go to the workspace. Once we download, we will go to the workspace and we will open any workspace. Let's take sample workspace, and from here I will upload it. So for this, I will go and browse, and here you can see the PBIX file. Now I will click on open. So here you can see financial report.pbx file is get uploaded. So I can click on it. Sorry, that is dashboard. So this is the report. You can open it and you can see the same report. So when you download the .rdl file, it will and you will import to the Power BI service, then you will get the paginated report. If you'll import as a .pbx file, and so you can see the report like this. So this is how we can import and export the Power BI report in Power BI desktop and Power BI service. That's all for today. Thank you so much.